What's going on, everybody? Fitter here from 3D Print SOS. Welcome back to the channel. I have a quick one for you. I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody who participated in the Toys for Tots giveaway, or the contest, or whatever you want to call it, this year on our YouTube channel and, of course, on our Discord. I wanted to give a huge thank you to 3D Max for sponsoring it again this year. This is their third time. They put up 3 prizes this year. First place gets 10 spools of filament, second place gets 6, and third place gets 3. So we have a bunch of filament to give away, as always, on the channel. And I just want to say that the total count this year of toys we donated as a community is 1,541. That's a lot of toys. Thank you, everybody, so much. So I want to make this the video to thank a couple people. 3 are going to be the winners, and obviously on top of that, I want to thank 3D Max specifically for doing this. You obviously don't have to put anything up. We're doing this for charity. We're doing this for kids. We have a bunch of machines, a bunch of plastic. These things sit idle. It's easy to sometimes to print a little dragon or to print a little fidget thing for kids, you know, set it aside and then give it away at the end of the year before the holidays to make it special for somebody who is going through something or just doesn't have, you know, what we have. So thank you very much for putting something on top of us already just doing this charitable thing. Really appreciate it, and that's what makes this community great. Another person I specifically want to thank is Zumi. Thank you so much for, you know, taking the reins of this whole thing and keeping us all in check, making sure we're all participating, knowing the deadlines, knowing what to do. Thank you so much, Zumi. All right, so let's go ahead and announce the winners. These are the people that printed the most toys. This is how 3D Max wanted to do it this year. So first place with 551 toys printed and donated is Wind Forward. Thank you so much for that. Really appreciate it. And you're going to have 10 spools to celebrate that with. And obviously, you did this for the kids, so really appreciate it. In second place with 219 toys, we got John LaRue. John, you're everywhere. Thank you so much for doing this. Thank you for supporting the channel. You know, it's just amazing. 219 is nothing to shake a stick at. Thank you so much. And you get yourself 6 spools of filament. And of course, last but not least, Zumi with 215 in third place for 3 spools. Zumi, once again, thank you so much. This wouldn't be the same without you. Like I said, thank you to everyone who participated. It's been a blast. It's been a joy. If you guys want to join for next year, you can just set aside now, and then you'll have a whole bunch to donate towards the end of the year. Next season, you can also just do it yourself. In most of the states, they collect at different times, like mine's right before actual holiday. I know some are right before Thanksgiving, so on and so forth. So feel free to donate at your own time. But if you want to do it as a group, save it for next year, and we'll do it all again and hopefully have some more prizes and more people join. As always, all of that information is down in the description in the Discord channel. So jump on in there and say congratulations to our winners. Thank you, everybody. Let's outdo it next year. And as always, I'll see you on the comments later.